Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering what you need and making it accessible without a network. Begin downloading target websites, documentation, or maps using tools like HTTrack or wget. This creates local copies you control. Once done, organize files into clearly named folders on your device or an SD card so you can find them fast. Also install an offline reader or local server app to serve content. That way you can open pages the same way you would online and avoid. Once your files are local, you need a reliable way to access them quickly. Run a lightweight local web server on your machine or phone. This simulates a live site and ensures links resolve correctly. Make sure linked assets like images, stylesheets, and scripts are relative paths so they load offline. If you use local domain names, update hosts or DNS settings to map them to your server. Then test browsing and media playback. Fix broken links or missing files before you rely on it. Now use the offline environment as you would the web. Open the local server URL or launch your reader app to navigate saved sites and media. Make sure to schedule periodic updates so you refresh data when you get online again. Simple sync scripts or cron jobs automate this and keep content current. If something fails, check file paths, server logs, and permissions right away. Most issues come from broken relative links or blocked assets, and fixing those restores full functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.